Do you own Bharat Electronics or are you looking to buy it? Where will the company go from here and are the valuations justified? Well, this was a stock requested by you, so stay tuned till the end of this video to get your stock analyzed right from the fundamentals to competition and opportunities ahead. First up, the stock performance. The defense sector has been firing on all cylinders this past year with Bharat Electronics clocking in more than 100% gains from its investors and 14% of gains in the last 6 months. However, in the last month, the sector has taken a breather, witnessing some major correction. While Bharat Electronics peers Data Patterns and Bharat Dynamics have declined 13% and 10% respectively, BEL has remained largely flat. Coming to the business, let's analyze the business of Bharat Electronics. Did you know Bharat Electronics is one of the major suppliers of electronic voting machines which were used in elections this time? Interesting, right? The company was also the latest addition to the Nifty 50 basket and is a Navratna PSU under the Ministry of Defence. It manufactures state-of-the-art electronic products and systems for Navy, Army and the Air Force. Apart from its core defense business, BEL has also ventured into several non-defense areas like space electronics, cybersecurity, railways, metro solutions and more, which contributed to about 14% of its revenue in the second quarter. It is interesting to note that in FY24, the company invested 6% of its turnover towards research and development. This helped the company to achieve 77% of its turnover from indigenous products. Now, coming to the order book, as of September 24, the company is sitting on an order book of about 74,595 crore and expects to clock in new orders worth rupees 25,000 crore for this fiscal, and expects to maintain this momentum for the next fiscal as well. So we are seeing new order opportunities of more than 50,000 crore in the next 2 fiscals. The order book comprises of major programs like long-range surface-to-air missile systems, electronic fuses, electronic warfare, anti-submarine warfare, radar, smart city projects and more. To be more specific, defense makes up around 86% of the overall order book, while its non-defense is around 11% and rest 3% from exports. In the last decade, the company's order book has seen a 3 times jump from rupees 23,450 crore in FY14 to rupees 75,934 crore at FY24 end. A big contributor to this is also the government's increasing focus on indigenous defense spending as emphasized in the last few budgets. But how have these orders translated on the overall financial performance of the company? Let's understand. Company's revenue has grown at a 10.75% CAGR in the last 5 years and nearly 13% of compounded annual growth rate in the last 3 years. For FY25, the company expects to maintain a 15% of revenue growth guidance and maintain its order book-to-bill ratio of 2 to 3 times. When it comes to margins, Bharat Electronics has maintained a 23 to 25% of margin range in the last 5 years and expects to continue this momentum as well. Do note that the EPS has grown at a 23% of a CAGR rate in the last 5 years. Now, some of the interesting developments that we should be watching out for Bharat Electronics includes its capabilities for the cover system, expecting a business potential of about 4,000 to 5,000 crores per year in this area. Along with that, it has also planned to invest about 800 crores this fiscal for a few of its new factories. What is important here is the valuations. The company is currently trading at a PE multiple of 52 times, while its 1-year forward multiple trades at 44 times, which means an investor is ready to pay rupees 44 for every rupee earned by the company. This falls somewhere in between Data Patterns, which trades at a 1-year forward multiple of 57 times, and Bharat Dynamics at 51 times. Coming to the analyst recommendations, according to Bloomberg, 18 analysts have a buy call on this stock, while 4 have a hold rating and sell rating each, which culminates to an overall upside potential of about 25%. So what are your views on the stock and what are the other companies you want us to analyze next? Write down to us in the comments below and stay tuned to NDTV Profit for more updates.